Oh goody, now it's time for the 2010 flagship of Windows Crap Edition. That's right, Windows Crap Edition 2010 8.0, version 1.1. Yeah, it sounds a lot worse than it actually is, so I guess without further rambling, let's get into it. So as you can see, well, after that login sound, as you can see, we have a Windows 98 plus. No, yeah. It was one of the theme sounds that came from Windows 98 that was used as the startup sound. Pretty unique choice there. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. System memory error 0x50. That's a Windows stop error that's used right there. All applications must quit. Sorry, have a nice day. Once again, they used that smiley face that they used from Crap Edition 7. Anyway, just ignore that, press OK here. And we're brought to the start menu with a button game thing out of the start menu for some awkward reason. And a red ring of death as the shutdown button. Woo-wee. Okay, let's start with the chat. Because last time that didn't work out really well, so I want to see if it's going to work today. And apparently Bill Gates is the name. That's password's incorrect. And seriously, a keyboard error? Are you kidding me? Oh well, let's just get over it. And unlike some other things that I've tried, the start button really didn't work, so you had to press, here, let me go ahead and open up, like, for, say, the button game. You had to use the W key to get the start menu to open on certain other displays, like the 1366 by 768 displays. This laptop, on the other hand, is a 1600 by 900 display, so that's not a big issue. Anyway, let's go and take a look at the torrent downloader. Again, it's another one of those stupid hexadecimals that we have to take a look at. Oh, great. What does this one contain now? 0x0f3bc9. There is only one match of it, and it comes from Russia. Lovely. Let's go take a look at it. If anyone can translate that for me, that'd be great. I have no idea what that's supposed to say. Alright, let's just get over that. Uh-oh, paperclip came in the look here. It looks like you're trying to download illegal software. Would you like some help? Yes, I would love some help. Thank you for wanting my advice. Here are your options. 1. Use legal U.S. currency to actually buy your software. And 2. Report yourself to the police. Yeah, they're really helpful. But if we press cancel, we get this lovely blue screen of death. I believe you can just press R to restart, and then, yeah, you can press B to get into the startup menu here. As you can see, CE BIOS. Have fun screwing with your computer. This time, actually use the proper smiley face. We'll get into that in a moment. I don't know why I did that, but we'll get into that in just a moment. Anyway, they used the Internet Explorer 6 logo for Internet Explorer 12. I guess we'll go ahead and take a look at that, since that seems to be... Internet Explorer 12 hasn't even come out yet. Windows Crap Edition server used version 11, which version 11 is right now the current version that's out, and things like that. I don't even know why this is in the middle. Aww. Well, I got rickrolled apparently, but why is the video not playing? What? Like, what? That's weird. The following file extension .ass was not recognizable by the system. We had to call tech support. Oh, great, because the microphone driver was not found. Great. Anyway, what's next? We got the Twitter, and I'm out of tweets. Jeez, that would be the better buy right there. Anyway, 2 for $100, but honestly, Twitter's free, so I don't know what they're thinking right there. But anyway, let me just audio real quick. There, that must be better. All right. Credit card error. Your credit card has been terminated. That's why I couldn't buy my iTunes yesterday. That was a big fat lie. Let's see. Toxic waste that originated from version 7 and originated to version 8. And apparently it accidentally deleted itself. How lovely. Anyway, let's take a look at Skype. Oh no! Windows forgot to send your activation. Please re-enter your 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64 estimated digit code. And once again, we got another keyboard error, and then there's the, Skype for crapish and not responding window because the DLL for calling was not found on the file system. How lovely. Any hoozles, let's see what's next. We have the About Windows thing, which you can see here. We're running on a 0 megahertz Intel Pentium 0, even though I'm not running on a Pentium, I'm running on a Core i7. I have apparently 0 megabytes of DDR0 0 megahertz RAM, even though I have 8 gigs of DDR3 1600. The hard drive is less than a gigabyte, excuse me. I want to have a terabytes. I have a CD-ROM drive, even though many Ultrabooks don't have a CD-ROM drive, but I do. It's called a DVD burner. My speaker volume, what is that at? It's at, we can get it close. It's at 56, we'll just put it there. Intel integrated crap, even though mine is Intel HD Graphics 4000. Say 0 megabytes of RAM, even though this has 1.75 gigabytes of video RAM. And CE BIOS as usual. Another thing to take a look at, I would assume, would be the button game. And apparently the game is pointless. Use right and left click buttons to play. Like, what's so boring about this game? It runs fine. Okay, that's getting a little boring there. Anyway, let's go ahead and try and shut down. Oh, that's apparently the crash button. Let's get into the BIOS here. What's this about? Use keyboard to navigate. If you want to know why you can't use your mouse, then ask us. It is none of your business, so don't bother asking us. Just use the keyboard. It is easy. NEL can spell words these days. So there's boot options, which obviously, so let's see, there's flash BIOS, that doesn't work. CFG boot, that doesn't work. Run CMD, that would be in Windows, that doesn't work. Hard drive tools, that doesn't work. 7 obviously don't work, and things like that. So there's really like nothing else for this operating system that I should look at. So really at this point I'm just going to go ahead and say that that's about it for this. So I guess go ahead and conclude. Thanks for watching.